Hi, in front of me is IGET Smart L203 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. Firstly, open menu. Now click on the search bar and type clock. Then open this app and click on alarm over here if it's not already on. Then click on this blue button with plus icon and set up an hour. When you're done, choose OK, and over here you need to click on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays only. Then click on vibrate over here to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you want to and save your changes by tapping on OK. After that, click on this bell icon over here, and if you want to add music from your own device as your alarm sound, you can always click on add new, and over here pick music from your tablet, but I don't have any, so I will just go back and set up one of these system melodies by tapping on the chosen one and going back. Now, as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!